Very good morning to one and all. As we discussed in earlier classes about the topic logarithms and their properties, today I am going to explain the proofs of the properties of logarithms or laws. Here, once you observe, laws are properties of logarithms and their proofs. In that, the first one is product rule. Product rule. Here the product rule is the logarithm of the product is the sum of the logarithms of the factors. I am going to write over here product rule. The logarithm of the product is equal to the sum of the logarithm of the factors. So I am going to repeat once again. The logarithm of a product is equal to the sum of the logarithm of the factors. That is log xy base a is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. Now I am going to derive this formula over here. Proof. So let I am going to take m is equal to log x base a and n is equal to log y base a. So these two m and n values I am going to write in the form of exponential form. Now I am going to convert m and n values into exponential form. That is x is equal to a power m and y is equal to a power n. Since we have one formula, if a power x is equal to n, then x is equal to log n base a. This is the definition of logarithm. So according to this definition, I wrote this logarithmic form into exponential form. After that, this is a product rule. So product rule means what? Product is nothing but multiplication. So that's why we have to multiply these two x and y values. So I'm going to multiply xy is equal to a power m into a power n. So here bases are same, we have multiplication symbol, power should be added. So that what I am going to write here, xy is equal to a power m plus n. Already we learned in the lower classes, if bases are same, if we have multiplication symbol, what should we do? We have to add it that. So x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. So after that, again this exponential form convert into logarithmic form. Again exponential form convert into logarithmic form. So, if you write in the logarithmic form, how can we write this is? It is a power x, here a power m plus n. Here n is nothing but xy. When we are comparing these two, here x is equal to form. That means what? M plus n is equal to. So, how can we write? M plus n is equal to, instead of x, here m plus n is there. That's why m plus n I wrote is equal to log n base a, log. So, I am going to write over here log n. N means what here? N means what? Once you observe here. What is n? What is n here? A power x is equal to n. A power m plus n is equal to xy. Here instead of n, what is there? Xy is there. So log xy base a. Log xy base a. After getting this, we have to substitute the values of m and n from equation number. No equations over here. Directly we have to write m and n values. Instead of m, I am going to write log x base a. Instead of n, I am going to write log y base a. So therefore, substitute m is equal to log x base a and n is equal to log y base a. So just like where we have to substitute, just like you take Roman 1. So Roman equation number 1, this one I am going to write in equation number Roman 1. So m is what here? Log x base a, plus is the plus, log y base a is equal to log xy base a. Or how can you write this is? Log xy base a is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. So hence proved. So the product rule is proved over here. So thank you.